Okay, this is John and Parita, and we're here in LAMMART still. And I wanted you to see these electronics, and these right here are pretty interesting right here. They are like electronic mini washers and dryers that they can do their laundry in here. And they go for about 3,100 pesos, so around $60–70. And then also these really nice water coolers so they could drink cold, clean water. Again, air conditioning units. Well, I don't know whether or not to be politically correct or what, but anyway, what these are Chinese products. I mean, they've got literally everything: TVs, fans, refrigerators. And they really, I mean, this place is just full of all types of products like this: pots, pans, spatulas, crock pots. There's Parita checking out a mini fridge, which she does have one in her house, and she was actually looking at these clothes washers and dryers because right now they look like they got a sale going on some of these. They're a little bit cheaper than normal. So
Alaska 45, tulong para maabot ang tamang tangkad at bigat ng inyong anak. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Alin dito ang anak niyo? Isa sa bawat tatlong bata.